Yep, Uptown Swing Level 3 Connection Month. I'm Peter.
I'm Maddie.
So, leaders, we did a lot of stuff. You had to be there. It's a recap, it's free, but here are a couple of things. Leaders, I want you to think about the feeling of getting ready before you want the follower to go somewhere. So we talked about on the end of a swing out. 7, 8, go. 3 and 4, go. On those triple zips, you're getting ready, then you're going. You're getting ready, then you're going. Most leaders think of when they want the followers to move, the second they want them to move. Leaders, if you can set that up with a triple step before, set it up, and then you move your follower. Set it up, and then you move your follower. That second one we worked on, having this go from my left side into my right side, transferring from that triple step to the step seamlessly, and we want to do the same thing with the 7, 8 to the 1. So if we go 7, 8, boom, 3 and 4, boom, 8, get ready, go with no break and no pause. The other thing we talked about for leaders and followers was just having your frame sort of start like this, just a very simple idea of frame. This is where it starts, and then when you move, it stretches a little bit, but not without a consequence. It's like a rubber band that is getting stretched, but I'm not pushing it out. Our bodies are pulling these arms stretched. So if the stretch, the connection feeling, if that could be a result of the bodies moving away from each other, that would be great.
Yep.
What a follower thing.
Follower things. We also talked about this, not letting yourself get too far away from your own connection there. And then we talked about taking up space and really breaking the tape when we do that.
That means like if you're running a race, you run through the end of it, don't stop right at it.
Yep.
Break the tape, yeah?
Break the tape. So here, keep going, keep going.
Most followers found themselves very afraid to be heavy or something, and we found that that was not a big problem in class. The bigger problem was people were difficult to move because they stopped all the time.
Yep, and watch out, I pointed out to a lot of followers, if you were doing the old switcheroo feet, that's a very common way that followers stop themselves too soon. Really think about dancing underneath yourself, and you might take a back step sometimes.
Might happen. Good luck, we'll see y'all next week.